Hey, today I'm going to answer the question, how patents make money. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've been at this for 10 years, working with inventors, startups, and entrepreneurs to get this answered. How do they make money using patents? I've written a book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents, and I've helped over 1,000 inventors move forward to result in almost 500 patents granted today. All right, let's get to it. So how patents make money? Actually, the answer is they don't. I know you're not expecting that. They don't. Patents themselves, they're really just a piece of paper. Okay, it's intangible property. Yes, you have that right to exclude anyone else from making, using, selling, or importing your invention. But the truth is, that doesn't give you any real ability. It doesn't really bring money. What does bring money, what does bring that market power is a business plan. Okay, having the ability to go to market, going through that risk of prototyping, manufacturing, designing, putting a team together, delivering it, whether it's online or in person, retail. That is what you have to do. Take those risks as an entrepreneur. And of course, using your patent to protect that technology certainly helps by being the only player in the market. But the actual being in the market, that's what brings you money. Now, there are other ways to monetize patents. And like other intangible property, you can license it. Okay, you can give it in terms of selling it to another party. Through licensing, you can give someone else or some other company part or all of those rights I just talked about, and allow them to be the only player, or one of maybe two or three, that are able to make this product and sell it into the US market. Or you can have them be the only one that sells it. Okay, so you can split up those rights of making, using, selling, or importing to various different parties, and that's how you can make a royalty. So every unit that they sell, they have to give you a negotiated amount, percentage of the gross or the net proceeds on that sale, and it is a great way to go if you have an in the market. Typically, the most recent example I just gave regarding royalties and licensing, this is very challenging, especially for a brand new startup, first-time inventor who hasn't really created that track record of proven sales in the market. I mean, you've seen Shark Tank, those questions, right? From Kevin O'Leary, right? From Damon John. Yeah, this is a great idea, but what are your sales? Let's get serious. And if that answer is zero, if you're pre-revenue, they almost always will shut down because they don't know. They don't want to be the one taking the risk and testing the market. So coming full circle back to this question of how patents make money. On their own, they don't. But coupled and paired with a business plan to enter the market, to test things out, and to actually sell your product, that's what will bring in the financial reward. One more quick note is that because it's on you, the onus, to take it to the market, you don't forget that it's also on you to enforce your patent rights against infringers. There's no patent police out there. So if you do see someone or some other company ripping you off, you have got to be the one that goes and knocks on their door, writes a cease and desist letter, and you better hire counsel to make sure that's handled the right way. Sometimes those infringers can actually turn into business partners. So don't always think it's going to be bad news if you find an infringer. It's actually good news. And we'll talk more about that in later episodes. But it can mean that they believe that there's a market. Even though they may know they're infringing, they're willing to take the risk because they know they can make money at it. That's a really good sign if that's your product category. All right, everybody, thank you for listening to How Patents Make Money. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents. Go big, go bold.